Hey, what's up? I'm Brandon Bashi, and today I'm going to show you how I make my YouTube videos. Um, I use a combination of ChatGPT, HeyGen AI, um, Canva. I also use OBS Studio when I am recording them myself, as opposed to using my AI avatar in HeyGen, and then YouTube. I also frequently will copy the documents into from ChatGPT into Google Docs to make sure that I have a copy of it available, and I'll also use it in the description in the YouTube as well as on a blog page. So the first step is I create a script. You can create the script with ChatGPT, and you'll want to use a prompt like something like create a YouTube script that starts with, "Hey, what's up? I'm Brandon Bashi, and today I'm blah 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 blah." I tell them what all I'm going to include in it, which is basically an intro you just heard, and then I also tell them make sure to explain how to create the script in ChatGPT, create an AI avatar in HeyGen, then a YouTube thumbnail in Canva, and how to add them all into YouTube. So then ChatGPT will spit out the information for you to be able to record a video. So as you can see here, it's done that. So when you're using AI, you'll basically copy all this, and then you go into HeyGen. If you haven't created an avatar yet, you'll need to create an avatar, which is basically you just talking, so that it can get a feel of what you look like, and also what you sound like. And then you can go and you can choose your avatar, and then you can do landscape or portrait. I normally do landscape because I like it better. And then you're going to paste everything in there. So I'm showing you this right now so that you can see it, but it puts in some stuff you may not want in there. Normally I clean it up beforehand, but I'm showing you now so that you can see it. Okay, so you put So you want to pull out all the notes and stuff that ChatGPT gives you, and then you'll have that. And you push generate. You'll want to name the video. I'm titling it How to Create a Video with HeyGen and ChatGPT. So then we'll take some time to prepare the video. Alright, so the video is done preparing, so you just want to download. And then you'll want to create your cover photo, which I just did, how to create videos using HeyGen and ChatGPT. You'll want to make sure to use your brand colors and font and anything else you want to make sure it looks like you like it. Make sure to change the title, and then share download. I like to compress to 1,000 kilobytes, and then just push download, which I've already done, so I'm not going to do that again. And then you are going to go into YouTube Studio and click create, upload videos, select files, and then there's my video. It will create your video. You want to upload the picture, which I saved right there, and then it looks like that. Then you'll want to add in a description. There's a bunch of features you can add. One of the things you want to make sure to do is this is altered content. So I mark it as altered content. Then you can add tags. You can select your language, which helps people know what language it's in. I do that. You can add the recording date, which is an indicator of recency, then where you're located. I do Las Vegas, Nevada, because that's what this website's focused on. And then you click next, import from video. I like to use the top ones like that, then save, and next, and publish it, and voila, you've got a link. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you would like to please make a point to follow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.